Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I want to show you what's going on for our Wednesday work this week. So we're in week 3. Go in our course, click on week 3. Then you're going to see an orange folder called Wednesday, September 23rd. The directions are to watch All About Ms. Grzelski's screencast and answer the discussion question, what do you have in common with Ms. Grzelski? What is different about you and Ms. Grzelski? So let's click on the folder to see what's inside. Okay, there's 2 different things you have to do. The first thing, you have to watch my video. It'll take you to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click subscribe. Okay, it's going to take you to the video I made that is all about me. I made you this video because you are going to make a Google Slides just like this, and if you're in 8th grade, you're going to make a video like I did. So I'm giving you an example of what we're going to start working on next week. So go ahead and watch my example video. That's step number 1. That'll take you about 10 minutes. The next thing you have to do is a discussion post. So you go into discussion. Now, the questions are here. The question number 1, the directions say answer at least one of these questions. Question number 1, what do you have in common with Ms. Grzelski? You could say, Ms. Grzelski and I both like to do yoga. Ms. Grzelski and I are similar because we both eat turkey on Thanksgiving. One thing that Ms. Grzelski and I have in common is we celebrate the 4th of July, for example. Then you could also tell me something that makes you different. So the question is, what makes you different than Ms. Grzelski? You could say, Ms. Grzelski celebrates Halloween, but I don't. Or you could say, Ms. Grzelski and I are different because her family is an indirect communicator and my family isn't. So the differences are a little more challenging if you're looking for a challenge. You're going to post them as a discussion. If you're doing this on your iPad, make sure that you click on the, at the top, you'll see the part that says discussion. You're going to click on that and then look for the plus symbol, and you can write your own sentence. Okay, that's it. So total, I'm predicting it'll take you about 10 minutes to watch the video, probably about 5 minutes to post the discussion. So we only have 15 minutes of work for Wednesday's asynchronous day. I'm going to be on my computer all day on Wednesday. So if you get confused, you can come to my office hours from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or you could email me or call or text me, and I will be very happy to help you. Have a great day.